of the things that really annoys me about track saws as opposed to a table saw is that you always have to take into account the kerf when you're cutting off some stock. So if I take something like this, and let's say I want to match, make a perfect replica of this, and set it here, and push it up against the splinter guard, and that's flush. Perfect, right? But you come and cut that, and the second piece is going to be smaller by the kerf. So one thing I did to get around that is create a little stack of feeler gauges that is the same as the saw kerf. So now when I want to make a cut, I'm going to line it as before, insert that, because that's going to be where the saw blade goes, right there. Use a square. I've got that flush, and I've got the kerf's width gap there.